What is up, guys? To, Tonight we are going to be looking at some mods to download. So, this is what I'm doing. SFS, I don't know. So, put down in the comments. Tell me how your day's going and everything. My day's going fine. If you want to ask me, so. I know you'll feel bad about my voice. I'm kind of all stopped up and can't breathe. But, if I'm not putting a lot in my videos, if I'm not putting a lot of time in my videos, just tell me down in the sorry. Just tell me down in the comments, and, I will, start working on that, so. Just let me do this here real quick, and we'll be into what today's video is about. So, or tonight's video or whatever. If I'm not talking a lot, I'm focusing doing videos for y'all and doing videos for uploads too at the same time. So, let me. Okay, so let me do this then, so. If y'all don't like me showing y'all what if y'all don't like me showing y'all what I'm doing, just tell me down in the comments and I'll stop, so. Good thing this one popped up. This one here, I can't seem. I've downloaded it once or twice, but I can't get it to download. Is there like another area you have to go to so. Okay, so what we need to do. No. Wrong thing. This is one of my videos that I've recently uploaded. It's been rough here these couple days. So. Yeah, let's look at my sisters. I like watching Bay Area bugs, but if y'all don't, I won't put it in my videos anymore, so. Sorry, but sorry if I cough too much. I'm gonna have to stop uploading if I'm gonna keep coughing. So, yeah, hopefully you like this video. I'm gonna have to end it here if I'm not gonna end up, if I can't keep it up, I'm gonna have to end up, not, if I'm not gonna be able to keep it up, I can't, I'm gonna type it on here and tell y'all what it is, so. Copherosis. Or sinuses. Whichever one you think it is, just tell me. So, yeah, God bless y'all. Have a nice day. And, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me if my intros are good. Bye.